So depending on your company's needs, there's actually a few options. You have your internal audit. They're independent valuations within the organization, and they're proactive self-examinations that are crucial for ensuring your process and your procedures are overall in good standing. Not only that, but you're also verifying compliance with current regulations and evaluating whether your processes are effective. Uh, this leads to a better product quality, better customer satisfaction, and overall operational efficiency. Uh, then you have gap analysis. This is a process of identifying discrepancies between current practices and future desired goals. It involves comparing the as is state of your process to the to be state of what you want. This provides you with realistic picture of how far off the mark you might be from the desired goal and what is required to bridge that gap, which leads to a future state remediation. It's a great strategy tool for identifying areas for improvement for your future goals. Um, so think of it like this. Your internal audit is like your annual checkup with your doctor to ensure your overall health. And your gap analysis is your evaluation with a licensed trainer to evaluate what you need to do to get those six pack abs.